Ladies and gentlemen, Levi can walk. He thinks he needs that thing, but how are you gonna get that now? He's been walking now for 1 day, and he does it sometimes. Sometimes he just gets down and crawls because that's easier. But he's getting very good at it. He certainly doesn't need that thing he's pushing right now. But of course, every time Mommy has the camera, he uses it. Levi, come here. But don't bring that silly toy with you. I haven't made a video of you in so long. Yeah. Hi. I don't want that. Are you trying to give it to me? Hi. Oh, that's crazy, huh? That's crazy. There it goes. Walk, 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 walk. Good job. There's Daddy. Uh-oh. What do we lose now? Can you come get it? Walk, 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 walk. Good job, buddy. Where are you gonna go now? There's a whole crowd of people watching you walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk. What a big boy. I can't believe he's walking. He's supposed to be just a baby. And now he walks. Because he thinks he's some sort of a big boy or something. Look at that. That's incredible. He just started yesterday. Yay! Good job, Levi! He's clapping for himself. What a guy. Okay, tell everybody how big boy you are. Oh, you waving bye-bye? You say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye to everybody that's watching you? Levi. Levi. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You don't want to wave bye-bye? That's clapping. That's good too. Okay.